Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today I will be making chicken Alfredo sauce with white wine. Okay, and if you like this recipe, well then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. A cooking wine that you would like to use is white wine to cook chicken Alfredo sauce, and Pinot Grigio is a perfect wine to use. Okay, now this wine is dry and it will bring out the flavors of the chicken that will enhance the taste of your food. Okay, so here I have a pan iron, okay, skillet, and if you have a pan iron skillet, it will be a perfect combination for your chicken to cook with, to cook from. Okay, it will be a perfect combination for your chicken to cook from. Okay, so please invest in a cast iron pan. Okay, invest in a cast iron pan because this is a very good pan that will bring out those chicken flavors that you are trying to bring out. What we're going to do is we're going to season our chicken breast. Okay, and I am going to use a seasoning to season my chicken breast. And I will be using kosher salt, okay? The reason why is because this salt is coarse and it's going to bring out the juice from the chicken, okay? Clean my chicken, so now I'm going to cook it. Okay, so make sure the pan is hot. Right now I accidentally took it out, so I'm gonna wait until it turns hot so I can start cooking my chicken. Okay, so our pan is ready. We're going to we will be using rosemary to give our chicken a lot more flavor, okay? To enhance our chicken flavor, we're going to be adding a little bit of thyme, okay? On the sides. While the pasta's cooking, we will be adding a tablespoon of salt, okay? Kosher salt if you want, and then you just add it here in the pan, okay? And what I also like to do is I like to add 3/4 of butter in the pasta, okay? So that'll be really, that's going to bring out a nice flavory, buttery flavor to the pasta broth. So now I am ready to flip the chicken breast on the other side. Okay, so now it's almost ready. I'm not going to put the wine yet until the chicken is ready. At this point, you can smell the delicious flavors that are being brought out from the chicken breast, okay? But the last part will be when I put the white wine on the chicken, okay? On the pan. Can you hear that sizzling? Okay, that sizzling is the amazing sound of delicious chicken breast being cooked with rosemary and thyme herbs. Okay, so now what we will be doing is we will be adding white wine. So like approximately 3/4 of white wine, okay? Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get all those juices from the white wine, and we're going to use that for our chicken Alfredo sauce. Okay, so we have our sauce right here. This is going to be so delicious, okay? So I'm going to be using mascarpone sauce right here, okay? So I'm going to be using that. Okay, so now that I added mascarpone sauce, now I will be adding heavy whipped cream. I will be using probably like one third of a cup. Okay, that's like 33%. And I will be adding it here. Okay, so now I have my garlic. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil, obviously. Okay. There's our breadsticks, okay? And we're gonna put it in. I'm using brioche bread. Okay, voila. I will be drizzling a little bit of olive oil on my iron pan grill skillet. Not a lot, just a little bit, okay? Because what we will be doing here is we're going to be seasoning our, okay, so you want to wash your cherry tomatoes. So now that we wash our cherry